I think everybody needs to consider their impact and ultimately having a lighter footprint. At Slane Distillery, when we designed it, we did so with the ambition of trying to make it zero waste, and we're not there yet, but we're well on the way. We've installed an anaerobic digester which will take the waste product from the distillation, the pot ale and spent lees, and we'll be feeding that to microorganisms which in turn will create biogas, which we can then use to actually heat the stills. That'll reduce our carbon emissions by around 25 to 30%. The distillery is surrounded by 1,500 acres that belong to my family, and on that we're now growing barley. We are using crop rotation in order to enrich the organic matter in the soil, which reduces the amount of artificial fertilizers that we'd have to use. We're planting hedgerows as biodiversity havens and wild bird covers around the edge of the crop so that things can live in there and move in and out and naturally manage the pests in the crops. Other things would be that we collect rainwater, which we can then use in our process to reduce our dependency on mains water consumption. We've done various biodiversity enhancements. We actually have gardens at the distillery that we're in the process of restoring. We also take our water from a salmon river, so we have to make sure that we treat them with respect. I think this is the way that all businesses are moving, and the drinks industry needs to, like all others, adapt.